In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a to-do list in Notion. If you are looking for a fast, simple way to capture tasks and keep your day organized, this walkthrough will have you up and running in a minute. We'll stick to the essentials so you can remember the flow and repeat it anytime. Start by opening a new Notion page. Think of this as your clean workspace. A blank page gives you a fresh canvas where your list can grow without distractions. You can keep it simple with a title at the top, so you instantly recognize what the page is for. Like daily tasks or project checklist. The page itself is just a container, the real magic comes from the blocks you add to it. Now, place your cursor on the page and type /. Then the word Todo. Press Enter. The / is Notion's shortcut to bring up commands, and Todo creates a to-do block with a checkbox. This is your first actionable item. Using / commands is faster than digging through menus, and Todo is one of the most useful ones to memorize. With that first checkbox in place, type the task you want to remember. Keep it short and actionable, like email the client or draft meeting notes. When you are done with that line, press Enter. Notion will automatically create a brand new checkbox right beneath it. Ready for your next task. This is a quick rhythm. Type, Enter. Type, Enter. In just a few seconds, you can capture your entire plan for the day. To move even faster, use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl or CMD plus Shift plus T. This quickly creates new to-do items without breaking your flow. On Windows, that's Ctrl plus Shift plus T. On macOS, it's CMD plus Shift plus T. If you are the kind of person who prefers keys over clicks, this shortcut will help you build lists at the speed of thought as you add items. Aim for clarity. Start each task with a verb. Keep it specific and make sure you can complete it in one sitting. If a task feels too big, just write the first concrete action. Notion will automatically keep creating new checkboxes as you hit Enter, so you can stay focused on capturing what matters. Open a new Notion page, use /todo to create your checkbox. Type your task and press Enter to add more. And use Ctrl or CMD plus Shift plus T when you want to go even faster. Thanks for watching.